and welcome to another SWOOP Hack video. Let's explore how you can use the favorite feature. This feature is available in the segments, threads, topic, and community dashboards. In any of these dashboards, you can favorite your favorite business segment, post thread, topic, or community by simply searching for it and click on the little grey star. For example, let's say we're tracking a couple of keywords at the moment. Let's deselect this keyword. Maybe there's a conversation of a SharePoint rebrand into ShareSpace. You search for all the relevant keywords and select the ones you need. This pulls all the data for those keywords, and you have a huge list of them here. Let's simplify this by favoriting this search. Click on the little grey star. This will pull up the favorites menu where you can give it a custom name. Pretty helpful when you have a list this long. Let's call it ShareSpace Rebrand. If you're an admin, you can select whether you want to have this favorite search available for everyone who can access SWOOP or just you. You can do this by toggling the global function. Now it sits nicely under the dashboard and makes coming back to those searches even easier. Maybe you've got a certain business attribute you want to check on, a topic you want to keep an eye on, a few groups or communities that are your go-to, or maybe you're running a campaign and want to stay up to date on that thread. Well, you can keep tabs on them all easily with this feature. All your favorites will stay right where you left them in the dashboard sidebar below the dashboard heading of your choosing. Just click on the heading and they shall appear, ready and waiting. Be sure to check out our other SWOOP Hack videos so you can make the most of your dashboards.